Hey there friends, welcome to another video. So huge shout out to YouTube ShopStar. It's a newer program that just kind of started up recently for YouTubers, and so they sent me like a bunch of little gifts here. So I'm just going to do kind of an unboxing and reveal on these. And yeah, just a big shout out to them. So I really appreciate it. So getting started right here, they give me this cool like YouTube bag here. Got the YouTube logo on there. And then inside of that, we have a bunch of different things here. So let's see. All right. Okay, so we have a Logitech Pro X Superlight 2DX. Very sweet. This is a Lightspeed Hero 2 Power Play Light Force. A very cool mouse here. And this thing, it really is lightweight. This weighs almost nothing. So yeah, big thanks for that there. That's really cool. Probably be doing individual review on each of these items here. All right, next up we have, what is it? So a keys to go Logitech keyboard here. So this thing is actually really cool as well. You just hook it up to, you can use it for your phone, for your tablet, anything like that. Just a nice little Bluetooth keyboard. I am horrible at typing on my phone. I use one finger, and I tried the thumb thing, but that does not work. So trying to do stuff on my phone, and if I'm actually trying to respond to emails and things like that, it's a nightmare. Probably, my typing is, if I'm lucky, I'm accurate about 75%, maybe low 90% of the time, and all the time I'm doing a mistake on there just because my fingers are too big or something. Anyways, it's super handy to have this little wireless keyboard. So very cool there. Next we got here iTwist 10,000 milliamp hour 8-in-1 combo charger. So 10,000 is that milliamp hours. So really sweet there. Check that out. Got the YouTube shopping logo on there, like customized, very sweet. Let's see, does this come out? I believe. Let me see. Did I grab that? I don't know. Or does it slide out? What is this? This is interesting. So it does have the USB-A, USB-C, and what's that, micro USB ports on here, as well as whatever this is. I think this is a charging port too. I want to say I can just pull it out of there. I probably can. Oh yeah, we can. Okay. Well, that's very cool. It seemed like it was super stiff there. So it has a lightning cable on there and a USB-C too that you can use at a distance. So very sweet. Yeah, that locks in there, so that is cool. Like the logo on there too. Okay. And next we have shorts and creator. Some YouTube memorabilia there. Nice little stickers there. That's kind of cool. So I can put those on whatever, my drinking cup or things like that. So nice YouTube merch there. What else is in the bag? Okay, YouTube shopping. We got like a little journal here. I can do a little diary, whatever I want to write some notes in, things like that. Very nice. Has this little bookmark thing there. You can just shut it up with, so that's excellent. What else do we have here? Little ShopStar pins, so I can put those on different things there. Anything else in the bag? We have a YouTube Shorts fanny pack there. It's got a couple different pockets, one in the front and one in the back. And obviously this is adjustable as well. You can put that on your waist. And then of course this nice little shopping bag, which, yeah, definitely very nice. Definitely some cool gifts there. So big shout out to YouTube Shopping for that. And also we have in here is Another Shop Star pin there. And here's a sweatshirt. Oh, wow. That is really cool. Check that out. So right on the top of the hoodie, it says Shop Star. Let's get the overhead view on that. That is sweet. And then there's the back of the hoodie. I'm gonna just put this thing on. This is a nice, check that out, a nice thick material. I like that. Like my hoodie's kind of baggy and just kind of heavy duty. And we got the YouTube logo there on front. So I'm actually gonna try this out real quick. All right, so yeah, perfect size there. Like that goes over the top there. Just a super cozy hoodie, and like the back there, it's a nice little logo. But yeah, like I said, I really like how thick this one is. Sometimes you get a hoodie and the material is like really thin. So all in all, like just a great little gift thing. They shot me, didn't have to do that. So big shout out to them. I really appreciate it. Super cool. Anyways, I'll be doing like on the individual items here, I'll be doing an unboxing if you guys want to check those out too, obviously. Thanks so much, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.